Right, this time I'm going to show you how to crimp polybutylene pipe. This is probably the most commonly used pipe for the average domestic house. It's quick and easy to use and cheap. Right, so this is the pipe, grey colour. And there's two different types. There's duct securer and butylene. So make sure that you've got the same pipe for the actual fittings that you're using. The correct pipe for the fittings you're using. Cuts quite easily. Just swivel it a little bit. Nice and straight. See, the fittings have actually got a little sighting eye. Okay. When you push that in, might need a little lubricant. Okay. Push that all the way, you'll see the pipe's actually in there all the way home. You've cut it nice and straight, so it's going to be sweet as. This is a crimping tool. Opens like that, a little bit unusual. Okay, make sure that's open. Okay. Put the crimping tool centre of the fitting and just squeeze it. Comes off the same way. Open up like that. Okay. Nice even crimp. Pipes all the way in. Let's do another one. Pipe all the way home. Crimping tool lined up with the centre. And just squeeze. One other thing that comes with the tools is a little thing like this, just to check that it's squeezed it enough. So that should slide over there, like so. It means it's the correct size. If the tool needs adjustment, that'll be too loose, won't go over there.